Casper. Okay, let's go. Boy. Let's go, Casper. So this guy is out of juice. I'm going to try to get solar installed for this guy. Cheap Amazon solar. I think I'm going to move camera from this tree to this tree. The view might not be as good, but the tree won't shake and I won't get false positives. Let's get some big tree. Okay, let's give it a shot. Tree's too thick. Gotta change trees. Let's see. Which tree will not shake as much? This tree will be fine. Okay. Eneloop rechargeables, 21 mAh. Twelve batteries. Casper, come here. Looks like it wants us to charge the solar panel first, which I did not do. Let's see how it goes. screws, power adapter, cables for connection to your device, tie down strap, anchor. Okay, looks like we will be using the DC 6-volt cable. This one fits the Spartan GoLive2. I'll try to get these guys. Looks like hook this onto the tree or whatever, and this just slides down like so. Okay, let's get this hooked on. I don't think I can use the condom for this guy. It's a little too tight. Let's see if it worked. I don't think it sees the solar yet. One sec. Okay, we got a couple of issues. First of all, the Spartan GoLive2 uses a 12-volt DC input. So that's number one. Number two is, I think there's not enough juice inside the built-in battery. So I'm going to give it some battery, give it some power and try it again, or I might have to bring it home, charge it, and come back out. That's that. Okay, if you guys ever do buy this Amazon China solar panel for 60 bucks, probably cheaper on sale, make sure that this sucker is charged, or the Spartan GoCam won't be able to pull power from the solar camera. Oh, sorry, the solar panel. And make sure you are using the 12-volt adapter right there. Otherwise, pretty good for under 60 bucks so far. We will see how long this guy lasts. The Spartan camera branded solar panel is still going strong after a full year and after winter. Let's see if this guy works just as good. It is on solar, and yeah, let's see what 60 bucks can get you.